Information, making me question our relation to the nation, our religion, supersonic, my existence can't resist us. Clearly I find myself living inside a shelf. All of these pages can't help. Got all my introspect, mirrors they don't reflect all of the things that we do. My existence supersonic, my existence can't resist it, can't resist it. Supersonic. Information, making me question our relation to the nation, our religion, supersonic, my existence can't resist us, can't resist us, can't resist us, can't resist us. Can't resist us.